After playing with this a little bit, what I decided to do is strip the paint off the floor with one good heavy coat and get it down to this lighter finish, and from there we're going to straighten it. Because this light finish doesn't seem to come up very good with the stripper, especially from here over, from here back. It doesn't really want to come up. So the process I'm going to do is one coat of stripper, one good coat of stripper, scrape it, get as much off as I can, and then I'm going to hand scrape it. And I think that'll get the paint off. Otherwise, the options are painting, sanding, and I kind of want to stay away from those at this point. So that's where I'm at with it right now. So I'm going to work on getting this stripped knot, and I'm going to come back and do a little scraping. To neutralize the stripper, I'll just take some steel wool and water and just kind of scrub what's going to come up. Alright, so I'm going to continue to clean up the stripper, steel wool on the floor. And this is going to be a long process. We're maintaining the 100-year-old patina here. We're not going to sand it. Now in these boards, you can feel how they're not flat. If you were to sand this, you would sand a lot of wood out of here to get this to be a flat floor. And it is a soft pine. And it's never been sanded. So we kind of want to preserve it a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to continue on this. You can see how we're just about on the wood here. Now I'm not going to take get all the paint off because we are going to scrape it. So I'm just concerned about getting Oh, most of it